Hi, I'm Soren Kaplan. Concept testing is really a fundamental approach when you're trying to validate and refine your product and service innovations. And really what you want to do is you want to define what your concept is. So you have to know your idea. And then you need to go through a number of different steps to test your concept and refine it. So the first thing is you want to define your items to test. So it could be key assumptions, it could be features in that product, or other attributes related to what you're testing. So in this case, this template, you can just list them off. Here are the things we need to test. And then you want to identify your research subjects. So who are you going to test it with that you want to get feedback from? And so you might have different types of market segments or customer profiles or personas that you also list off. They may be different for the different items to test, or they may be the same. Then you want to determine your test method. So there's a lot of different ways to test ideas. So you want to essentially define, are you going to do it online, or are you going to do it with surveys or social media? You're going to do it with focus groups, face-to-face, or like on a video conference. So you can list off different ways to test with the different subjects as well as with the items you're testing. Once you know the things you're going to test, the subjects, and your test method, you want to come up with specific questions for each of those items and for those people that you're testing it with. So you can write prompts that essentially will allow you to get feedback, to test your assumptions, to test your ideas, to test the features, whatever they may be. So essentially a concept test is for every specific idea you have, you build out this type of a tool, and you get very clear on what you're going to test, how, and with who, and you go through that process. And as you do that, then you refine your concept and you make it better. So that is a concept test.